It's almost time for the clay event of the summer. I'm Cindi McGee, and I am just one of 19 teachers who are part of the Clay Earring Summer Camp 2025. 3 days, August 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, 23 tutorials, and a whole lot of earring magic. Join for free today via the link in the information below, or go VIP today and you'll get instant lifetime access to all tutorials, bonus tutorials and exclusive downloads, a 50% off createalong.com coupon, early entry into the classroom, and the chance to win a huge clay prize. We hope to see you as we've got lots of fun activities planned over the 3 days in addition to the awesome classes. Come on down to Clay Summer Camp and join us for some fun.